Alright, so today we're going to go over multiplying decimals, and the first thing you'll notice is I didn't line up my decimals, and that's not required when you multiply decimals. So when you start any multiplication problem with decimals, you really don't need to worry about the decimals when you start. You're just going to multiply and just pretend those decimals aren't there. So we're going to start multiplying this. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Put your 0 placeholder. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3. Add this up. 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, and bring down that 3. So we have 3852 as our answer. Now you need to consider your decimals. So we have to figure out how many digits are behind the decimal in the problem. So we have 1, 2, 3 digits behind the decimal in our problem, so we need the same number of digits behind our decimal in the answer. So we got 1, 2, 3, so our decimal goes right there. So our answer to 3 21/100 times 1 2/10 is 3 852 thousandths. So let's go over another example. We have 5 17/100 times 300. So again, just forget the decimals right now and start multiplying. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now, after we've multiplied, because we don't need to worry about that 0, we're going to look at our decimals. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits behind the decimal in our problem, so we need 4 digits behind our answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer there is 1,551 10,000ths. And you can go ahead and add a 0 at the front to make sure you see that decimal. Alright, one more example. So we have 8 39/100 times 5. Again, just pretend the decimal's not there at the beginning and just start multiplying. 5 times 9 is 45. Carry the 4. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19. Carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. So now we've done our multiplication, so we consider that decimal. We have 1, 2 digits behind the decimal, so we have 1, 2 digits behind the decimal in our answer. So our answer to 8 39/100 times 5 is 41 95/100.